How to claim your new user rewards in KuCoin. What's up everyone? Today I will show you how to claim $20 rewards in KuCoin. First, open your KuCoin app and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the home screen. On your profile page, you will see a large green banner at the top, usually mentioning a new users only promotion. Tap on that banner and it will take you directly to the rewards hub. This is where all your beginner tasks and potential bonuses are located. In the rewards hub, you will see a list of tasks like identity verification, first deposit, and first trade. As the video demonstrates, once you've completed a task, a claim button will appear next to it. When you tap claim, you will get to play a little game where you select a card to reveal your prize. In the video, we see this done for the identity verification and sign up tasks, unlocking a few USDT in rewards each time. For the tasks you haven't completed yet, like making your first deposit or first trade, you can tap the button next to them, such as add funds or trade. This will take you directly to the right place in the app to complete the action. Once you complete the task, you can come back to the rewards hub to claim that reward as well. It's a great way to explore the app and earn a little extra crypto while you're at it. If this guide was helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more.